Okay, we'll start the class. So we have been seeing about application of various devices at high frequency. So we'll continue with that. So today we are going to see about inductors. So the most important drawback in RF circuits is you don't have a very good inductor, which is going to simplify your process. So inductors are considered to be very bulky, and they don't fit in into the RF circuit board. So that is the reason why inductors are not available even today, even though there are very good fabrication mechanism available. So although equivalent circuit of inductor, if you take, inductor will always have a resistance in series. When you have a resistance, you will always have noise, thermal noise, you will have distortion and power consumption. So these factors will be coming together when you are going to have a practical inductor. And mostly one possibility we have, if you are going for an on-chip inductor, if you want to fabricate an inductor on chip along with the RF application, we'll go for a planar spiral inductor.